Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, saws, rolls, lathes, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice Grob 18-inch vertical bandsaw. Just came in. It's a model 4V-18. It's pretty loaded. Comes with a blade welder, grinder, and cutoff. So if you snap any blades, you can quickly repair them. This machine also has a nice pneumatic feed system. This will allow you to put your part here, put your piece in, and let it feed into the saw blade instead of having to push it yourself. A nice feature. Make sure you get even force all the way through. And of course there's an adjustment right here for your feed force. If you're not going to use this at all, we also have the original blanking plate that goes into it. You just stick that in there, it covers it right up. You use it just like a regular manual saw. Everything on this saw is running. It's a nice, clean, working saw. You see the wheel there. We carry all types of saws, vertical saws, horizontal saws, manual, automatic, CNC. This machine right here, you can see, has a chip blower as well, little work lamp, has a high-low transmission. Right here we can change the speeds. You can see the belt's going right now. I'll go ahead and change the speed. This is increasing the speed. If you wanted to change ranges, right in the back here is your high and low range on the transmission. You just turn that right over, it'll give you a different speed range. Use your variable right there, and you'll be right on point. Here's a nice little chart that helps you out with the feet per minute and the blade speed according to what material you're using. If you're interested in this saw or any other saw, new or used, we carry all brands and sizes. Give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.